I think if you look at the whole blockchain area, I think it's completely banal to say blockchain is going to be big, but I think what's really exciting is if you think about what is blockchain really good at and what does that imply are the gaps, there's a huge amount of financial infrastructure to be built for the blockchain world. So if you look about the kind of whole kind of range of companies that serve kind of mainstream fiat financial services today, and then you kind of map to their blockchain equivalents, usually what you're mapping to is empty space. And what that suggests to me is that there are going to be very important companies built in those areas, in the coming years. I don't think blockchain is the technology that we can put back in the box. I'm not really very interested in what the price of Bitcoin or Ethereum is today or tomorrow or yesterday. The question is, are there important applications for this? And I think increasingly the answer is yes. And that's going to require new infrastructure, and I think entrepreneurs will come in to fill that gap for sure.